My name is Miles, and welcome to the part 2 of the Battle Cats. Now, last time, in part 1, we unlocked this boy right here, this mega boy, and he is amazing. We upgraded a few things. We unlocked this, but I can't buy it because, don't have cat food. So yeah, today's episode we're gonna go through 5 levels. We're just gonna basically, just have another episode and see if we can unlock some more, another cat or at least get the big boy in another, get that big boy in another freaking, another freaking round, because last time we only had him in one round and he was a freaking boss. But since then, I upgraded him 1 level. And he used to do, I'm pretty sure, 100 damage last episode. But now he does, freaking big boy damage. Okay, he does a big boy damage. I got brain damage. So yeah, this game isn't multiplayer, but I figured may as well make a series off of it because, YouTube and ad revenue and stuff aren't that good recently, so yeah. The adpocalypse hit pretty hard. So yeah, we have 350. We're about to spawn a big boy. Here we go. Yeah, the spider's coming. I'm just gonna nickname him Spider. Spider's coming in. We got cat, tank cat, axe cat, and then we got Spider. He's pretty dope, man. I love Spider, man. He's pretty nice. I want to get some free money, so I'm just gonna upgrade that. I could upgrade. Oh, they have a hip. No. No way. They don't. No. I will not accept this. They have a hippo as one of their. Oh, that's the first time that one of my characters has ever been knocked back. Like, one of the big boys has ever been knocked back. Oh my god, they're doing so much damage to my freaking team, man. Jesus. I have to spawn another big boy. Oof. Oh no, the big boy died. Okay, got an Axie boy. Fire. $400. Guys, I'm sorry, okay? I just needed this character, because, who doesn't like a good old stretchy boy? What do you guys want his nickname to be? Do you want to be stretchy boy, tall boy, spider? I don't know, something cool. Oh my god, so many things have been unlocked. Jesus. I got 1 ticket. And what is that for? Special bonus. Wait, what? I got 20, cat food. Here we go, guys. Here's a cat capsule. First one we're gonna do ever on the series. What is it? Oh, it's an axe cat. We have 22,000 XP. Oh my god. You know what I'm gonna do, guys? Increases the maximum. Where's that guy that gives us money? Increases the worker's cat's wallet, increasing the upper limit of income. Yeah, you guys know why I literally just spent like I want to say like $10 worth of XP. It's because that cat, that sweaty guy. Oh, here's a golden one. Okay, what are we gonna get? What the hell? Rare. What the hell is that? Sent to cat storage. Wait. Missions. Raise your user rank by 10. So what is my user rank anyways? Stay hungry, stay foolish. Yeah, we just unlocked like freaking everything. So I'm gonna go in the store. God dang it, man! Everything costs so much. I can get 50,000. Power up your cat units. Battle speed won't be double. The reason I bought... You have 18. 18 of these? Pretty sure. So the reason I bought that is because, you just need to go crazy once in your life, Oh no, now we're going to Australia. Let's go. Let's see what the battle gives us today. Oh, there's 5 slots. Holy God. I knew this was gonna be helpful. Dude. Our money goes up so fast. Jesus. There's a reason I picked that, guys, you see? Because now we can afford tall boys whenever we want, and axe boys whenever we want. It's just like, you got money left over? Why don't you spend it on a tall boy? I bought a tall boy and an axe boy that round. Oh my god, dude. Look at it at level 4, holy god. Level 5. Are you high? Dude, we're already at max again. We're already at max again. Oh my god, dude. You guys probably think I'm hacking right now, but honestly, I'm not. I'm just really good at this freaking game. We won that lap. Guys, I told you there's a reason why I upgraded that freaking cat capsule. How do you get these? I don't know, it won't show us. Storage. So I go into storage, I got this thing. I'm gonna use you guys are gonna be so mad now. So I don't have anything for this. Okay. So equipped. So I'm gonna do. You guys are gonna be so mad. Oh, 340, wait. We should go up in price. Yeah, we should put the big boy at the end. So a lot of stuff has been upgraded this round. I like it. So we did Japan. We need to do Australia separate before. We did Australia. I'll just do it again. Just because, you know, whatever. I don't care. I'm just gonna do it again. Because it was super freaking easy. Because we have this money man dude. It just freaking... Look how good he is, guys. Look how fast our freaking money goes up. What does this guy do? I don't even know. I don't even know. What does he do? Dude, he's so good! Fat boy. I'm gonna wait until I get 600 coins. And then, I'm gonna spring out and attack. Ready? Okay, there we go. I've got the infinite attack. I got a big boy. I got a springy boy. I got an axe. I got 3 axe boys. A couple springy boys. A regular boy. A tank boy. I got all the boys. Big boy party. Let's go. We're gonna fire this. I'm just gonna spy a bunch of stuff, you know? I love this game so much. It's so fun once you get past like the first like 10 levels. Yeah, we beat him. So let's start another round. Let's do this one. So yeah, I'm gonna level that up 3 times. So it gives us infinite like money, I guess, basically. Level 4. You guys are also gonna say I'm hacking, but I'm not. I just leveled up the right thing to level up at the time. So now we can spawn in every character with ease. They're taking them so long to get over here. Remember, they might have a hippo this round, so just gonna wait for them to come over, and then I'm gonna go all out. I'm gonna go all the boys, you know, get all the boys in there. Dogs get instantly one-shotted by my big boy. I'm gonna wait till it's 900 so then I can go. And do that. And then I'm gonna do this. And then I'm going to... we basically have a freaking army. Which is actually really good, okay? Spawn in their big boy. Really don't need to fire, honestly, like, dude. You guys are gonna be so mad in the chat. You're gonna be like, you're freaking like, bruh, you're hacking. I'm like, no, I'm not. I like it when you guys think I'm hacking. It's hilarious to see your comments. I can buy out my entire, loadout, basically, so I can... Jesus, look at the massacre of all the characters. There is a new cat. Wait, there's a new cat? What cat did I get this time?